This video here is myself cutting our TOA first field on May 25th. It's a little early for cutting this in this area, but the orchard is out in full head in this field. And because it's out in full head, we want to make sure we cut it before it pollinates and starts to seed out. And that's when it matures. So some people see first cut orchard and they know it as being a bit of a browner type of cutting, especially from Ontario or the Northeast. Really what that comes down to for us is timing and weather. So if we can get in the field like we are right now, May 25th, we can cut it and it's a really nice color. It's mature enough to cut, but not too mature that it starts losing its color. But if it was raining this week and into next week, another 10 days of maturity, this is going to start to turn. It's really not a lot different than what wheat does. Once it becomes pollinated and has grain fill, it starts to die off. The bottom leaves start turning yellow or brown, and that's no different than orchard. As you can see with this field, really green, lots of color left in this field. It's very early, but this field was our most mature orchard, so that's why we prioritize cutting it first.